Let's talk about school. Do you like your school?
Definitely, I like my school a great because I had taken a great lesson in my school from my honorable teacher. And of course, I have a wonderful memory not only with my classmates but also with my senior, junior, and teacher.
Where do you go to school?
Well, my school is situated western part of my city, whereas I can go with several types of transportations like as bus, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, CNG, and so on. Even though sometimes I prefer to go there with my father because he has a wonderful bike. Whenever he go to his workstation at 9 a.m., he pick up me to my school. So definitely my school is a wonderful place, whereas you can find a wonderful garden with several type of colors.
Do you go to a good school?
Definitely, I go to a wonderful school, which is the one and only school situated in my city. Whereas you can find a wonderful place with respectful teacher, and I think my teacher are qualified not only in my cities but also whole country because they always provide their lessons in unique way, whereas you can easily understand the lessons. And even though my school's reputations and result are too good, so every citizens of my country are preferred to go there, and obviously all parents prefer to send their child to this school. So I love my school very much, and of course I always go to a good and wonderful school.
Do you like your teachers?
Obviously I like my teachers a great because they are the respectable person not only in front of the students but also whole classes of parents in my cities. Obviously they are respectable for their unique teaching style and method. Even though if they are present any vulnerable student, without delay all teachers prefer to close to him or her and provide a great lessons to improve the troubleness or problem. So I think my teachers are qualified in my schools, even though they always prefer to make several type of lectures in front of the students so that all students can make a good result. And obviously all students in my school always make a better result rather than the other schools. So in my cities all citizens prefer to close to the teachers, and of course they try to admit their student to the campus.
Do you like your school?
Absolutely, I like my school very much for various reasons. Firstly, I have good memories with my teachers, classmates, and bosom friends. Secondly, there have a wonderful garden in front of the school. On the top of that, in every weekend, we make a tour with my other classmates and teachers. Of course, it would be outside of the cities. So I have a great memory with my schools. So definitely I like my school very much.
What are the difference between your school and other schools?
Well, there have a lot of difference between my school and other schools. If I talk about my school, there are available facilities for the students. Firstly, campus is very large. Secondly, there have an amazing garden with varieties types of flowers. On the top of that, the teachers are very good qualities because they have unique style and method how to make a lecture in front of the students, and obviously they always prefer to make several type of videos so that the student can repeat that very much and learn more and more. On the top of that, all teachers provide their lessons on project, so I think every student can learn their lessons with great attention. Even though the teachers make a jokes or story in front of the students so that they can get concentrate on the classes. On the other hand, if I talk about the other school in my city, they have a low quality teacher. Even though the campus is not very large, and of course they always providing their lessons without any projector or screen. As a result, the students are going to the downstream. So I think there have a great difference between my school and other schools. And of course, my school always provide a great result rather than the other school.
Is there anything you want to change about your school?
Well, I strongly believe that some things would be changed in my school. Although there have available teacher and big platform in my school, I think it would be increased more and more because day by day students are increasing a lot. Even though on weekend my campus should make a tour not only with the students but also with the staff, because if they are able to make a tour they find a lot of satisfaction and joy, and also it boosts their energy to concentrate on their works.
Is it big school or small?
Well, I strongly believe that my school is very big rather than the other school in my city because there have available opportunities not only for the student but also all citizens of my city. Even though you can find large auditorium, library, playground in my school. So I think my school is very big.
How far your school from your house?
Well, my school is not very far from my house because it almost 3 kilometers away from my house, whereas I can go with several transportations like as rickshaw, auto rickshaw, CNG or bus.